I went back and looked, and 15 years ago, the employees that were here, over half of them are still here 15 years later. And that's just a track record that's hard to match. What that gives our customers is that continuity and relationship that's so important to them.
As I met with Dave, our president, he explained we look for reasons to make loans, not for reasons to not make loans, and that's exactly what we do.
I appreciate the level of customer service that we offer our customers. We call them by name always. We remember their birthdays. We remember the stories that they tell us about their family or their wife or their husband who maybe passed away, 20 years ago.
American National Bank does things a little differently. They take a personal approach to the services that they offer, and they try to exceed the expectations of their clients, and that's something I've always tried to do in my professional life.
When you come to American National Bank and you walk in the door, you are greeted by someone right away, or the receptionist, and you're probably going to be greeted by a couple more people shortly after that.
We have that personal feeling when people come in, you know what's going on in their lives. You laugh with them, you cry with them, you go through all of their life with them.
A smaller kind of startup type customer that came into the bank, they went back and wrote a nice email about how even just coming into the bank they felt a warm feel with the receptionist and felt like the smiles were real, and they liked just meeting everybody in the bank.
Anybody can mail a letter. Personally delivering, that's pretty cool.
We are one office. Every decision is made right here. So the people that the business person is talking to across the desk from them will also be the people making the credit decision at loan committee.
There have been situations in the past with a couple of our businesses in which there's been fraud done to them.
Dawnine and I work close together, and some of that, like that was, I think this one instant, that was one of my customers. But through their side, they caught it. That's an example where we're all here together.
We have one particular cause that we focus on is veterans, and we partner with the Fox Valley Veterans Council, and we actually help them create a Veterans Emergency Fund to help local veterans and their families in need of basic needs.
And there's a great deal of responsibility that the bank, I believe, takes in helping the community, whether it's through organizations like United Way or Soar Fox Cities. They try to make a difference in the lives of not only their clients, but also those in the community.
My son just participated in a local hockey tournament that American National Bank was a sponsor in, which I thought was great.
From the simplest things, from making great decisions on time, to having really genuine relationships with people that we know. And I think that's the biggest thing that separates us, and it's one of the things that makes it very fun to work here.
If I won the lottery, I would still come to work. And again, it's not about the money. It's a nice place to come. Everybody has their quirks in their job they don't care for. But honestly, I would still come in here because you have to do something, and I love what I'm doing. And I love meeting with my customers and helping them. I really do.
You know what else is cool? This is cool. Dave comes and chats with me about his kids, his grandkids, fishing. That's cool.